Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This cruiser has 16,900 miles on it roughly and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike is nice and clean, we haven't found any type of tip over damage. A couple of little minor scuffs on it, but nothing major. Tires are in good shape, got some decent miles left on them. Tall, clear windscreen, factory. Footboards for the driver, factory. Leather saddlebags, factory. Passenger backrest, factory. Same with the rear tire, got some decent tread on it. And again, footboards for the driver with the heel toe shifter. They also have a mounting plate with Velcro on it, as well as a 12-volt power outlet already on the bike. I'll show you those miles now. $16,855 is what's on it. Oh, I forgot to mention the pipes. This 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. And one thing I need to mention, I did say there was good rubber on the tires. It's got good tread on it, but the tires are aged. So we want to make sure you know that. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.